right now. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. I'd like to thank you for joining ABRA's roll call hearings being conducted via the WebEx platform provided by the DC Office of Open Government. My name is Laverne Fletcher, and I'll be conducting the roll call hearings as the board's agent. There are 4 cases on the calendar today. The first case on the calendar today is Il Canali. This is case number 22PRO00054, GF Inc., 1063 and 1065 31st Street Northwest, license number ABRA 083707. This is a retailer class CR. It is a license renewal. My name is Laverne Fletcher, conducting the roll call hearing as the board's agent. Is anyone present on behalf of the establishment? Is anyone present on behalf of the establishment? Mr. Uhar?
Yes.
You're the protestant in this matter. Could you state your name and spell it for the record, please?
Yes, my name is John Uhar, JOHNUHAR.
Thank you, Mr. Uhar. You do have standing as a protestant. Your property does abut that of the establishment. We allow about 10 minutes for parties to show up in the event they're having trouble with technology. So, Mr. Uhar, if you would just stay on the line, I'm going to recall your case within 10 minutes to give the applicant an opportunity to appear.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I'm going to conclude the case of Il Canali for the moment. I'm going to recall the case in a moment. The next case on the calendar is Good Stuff Eatery, case number 22PRO00056, Sunnyside Group LLC, 303 Pennsylvania Avenue Southeast, license number ABRA 078027. This is a retailer class DR license renewal. The protest issues are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet. My name is Laverne Fletcher, conducting the roll call hearing as the board's agent. Is anyone present on behalf of the establishment?
Yes, Jeff Jackson present.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Jackson.
Good morning.
Mr. Jackson, would you spell your name for the record, please?
JEFFJACKSON.
Thank you. Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 6B?
This is Brian Reddy, Commissioner Reddy for ANC 6B, Chair of ANC 6B's ABC committee.
Thank you, Mr. Reddy. Would you spell your name for the record, please?
The first name is Brian, BRIAN. Last name is Reddy, READY.
Thank you. ANC 6B does have standing as a protestant. We need to set a date for mediation, a status hearing, and a protest hearing. I will give you the date for the status and protest hearing first. The status hearing is scheduled for August 10. That's August 10, 2022 at 10:30 a.m. The protest hearing is scheduled for September 14, 2022 at 1:30. I will give you the next available day for mediation. Let's see here. The next available day for mediation is Monday, July 25 at 1:30 in the afternoon. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of that week are also available. But the next available day is Monday, July 25 at 1:30.
Yeah, I'm available that day.
Okay, that's fine.
Is that good for you too, Mr. Reddy?
Yes.
And could you repeat the status date again, Ms.
Yeah,
Fletcher?
The status hearing is August 10, 2022 at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you.
Welcome. So mediation is set for Monday, July 25 at 1:30, and I will send you the WebEx invitation to attend.
Perfect.
Any questions at all? I'll see you then. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
The roll call hearing is concluded. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Bye, Mr. Reddy.
All right. Bye.
Thank you. I'm going to recall the previous case, which was Il Canali, case number 22PRO00054. Is anyone present on behalf of the establishment? Okay, Mr. Uhart, I see you're still there. I'm going to
Yes,
call the case again in a few more minutes. The time is about 10:08.
sure.
Okay, so I'm going to recall this case in a moment. The next case on the calendar is We the Pizza. This is case number 22PRO00057, Kukuvaya Inc. I hope I pronounced that correctly. I don't know. But it's Kukuvaya Inc. 305 Pennsylvania Avenue Southeast, license number ABRA 082062. This is a retailer class CR. This is a license renewal, and the protest issues are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet. Is anyone present on behalf of We the Pizza? Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 6B? Mr. Reddy, are you still here? Okay, so what has happened, Brian Reddy, ANC 6B, was just present for the previous case. I believe he signed off because he realized his first case was over, but not that he needed to stay on the line for his second case. And so I am not going to dismiss ANC 6B. I'm sure Mr. Reddy just did not understand that he needed to stay on the line. When I concluded the other case, we said goodbye and he signed off. Otherwise, I believe that he would be present. And so I'm not going to dismiss ANC 6B as a protestant. I'm going to grant standing to ANC 6B as a protestant for the reason that I just explained. Is anyone present on behalf of We the Pizza? Thank you. I'm going to conclude the case of We the Pizza for the moment, and I'm going to recall the case of, no, I'm not going to recall the case of Il Canali until 10:15. The time is approximately 10:11. I'm going to call the last case on the calendar for today. The last case on the calendar is Calico. This is case number 22PRO00055, Alley Cats Hospitality, 50 Blagden Alley Northwest, license number ABRA 104594. This is a retailer class CR license renewal. The protest issues are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet, residential parking, and vehicular and pedestrian safety, and real property values. Is anyone present on behalf of Calico?
Good morning, Ms. Fletcher. This is Manal Mahmood with Malleus O'Brien Sandground, MANALE
Thank you, Ms. Mahmood. Is anyone present on behalf of Blagden Alley Neighbor Court Association? Is anybody present on behalf of Blagden Alley Neighbor Court Association? I'm going to recall this case in a moment. I'm going to go back to the first case on the calendar to give the protestant an opportunity to appear. So the hearing in this matter is concluded for the moment. I'm going to go back to the first case on the calendar, which is Il Canale, case number 22PRO0054. Is anyone present on behalf of Il Canale? The application in this matter is dismissed because no one is present on behalf of the establishment. Mr. Uhar?
Yes.
Thank you for waiting. So the
What does this
application,
I'm sorry, what does this mean exactly?
that's what I'm going to explain right now, Mr. Uhar.
Okay.
The application is dismissed because no one is present on behalf of the establishment. That means that the board will issue an order dismissing the application because no one is present. You will receive a copy of the board order. If the establishment seeks reinstatement of the application, you will receive a copy of their request for reinstatement. They will need to explain to the board why they were not present today. You will have an opportunity to respond to that. And the board will decide whether or not to accept their reason for not being present today or not. If the board accepts their reason for not being present today, then the case will get back on track. I'll contact you to schedule mediation. You'll be informed of the status and protest hearing dates. But at this point, there are no dates to be scheduled because the application has been dismissed.
Okay. One last thing though, he's in violation of his original settlement agreement, but I guess I do that under a different process for now.
Well, if the application is reinstated and we have a mediation, we can talk about it then. I know your protest is based on peace, order, and quiet, adverse impact on residential parking and vehicular safety and real property values. So there's
Also, no, I also have the good character clause.
well, and so I've added that, and we'll see what happens if the case is reinstated, and
Thank
we'll
you.
cover all those issues.
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you, Mr. Uhar. I'll keep you posted.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I am recalling the case of We the Pizza. Is anyone present on behalf of We the Pizza? The application in this matter is dismissed because the applicant is not present today. ANC 6B has standing as a protestant. The protest issues an adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet. This matter is concluded. I am recalling the case of Calico, case number 22PRO00055. Is anyone present on behalf of Blagden Alley Neighbor Court Association? Ms. McMoon?
Yes, Ms. Fletcher?
The protestant is not present, which means that the protest is dismissed. The board will issue an order dismissing the protest because the protestant is not present. You'll receive a copy of the order. The protestant will have 10 days to seek reinstatement. If they do, you'll receive a copy of that so that you can respond. If the board grants reinstatement of the protest, then I'll contact you to schedule a mediation. And you would also be informed of the status and protest hearing dates. But as of today, the protest has been dismissed.
Thank you so much, Ms. Fletcher.
Thank you, Ms. McMood. Maybe I'll see you soon.
Have a great day.
Okay, you too. All right. Take care.
You too.
Is there anyone else on the line who I have not called? Okay, well, thank you. And Mr. Uhar,
Yes,
I see that you're still present. I'm going to sign off now because all of the hearings for today have been called. Thank you
Thank
again
you.
for coming. Okay.
thank you.
All right. Thank you very
Bye.
much. Bye, everybody.